So hello, so my name is Perline Demange, and sorry, I have Zoom in the middle. Yeah, so I will present you our study on parental influence on offspring education. And in particular, we ask if parent cognitive and non-cognitive skills are affecting their children's education. So by cognitive skills, I mean skills measured by IQ test, and by non-cognitive skills, I mean all traits that affect education, but without being IQ. So things like motivation, grit, social skills, and so on. And one problem with answering this question is that it's not sufficient to only look at the correlation of the parental skills and the child education to answer it, because the child education is affected by the child genetic endowment, and the child genetics and the parent skills are affected by the parent's genetics. So it's resulting in a correlation between the child genetics and the parental skills, making it difficult to assess the causation between parental skill and child education. So luckily, using genetic study design, we can isolate and estimate the effect of parents' genetics that have to go through parent skills to affect child education. And these are called indirect genetic effects. And by showing their presence, we also show that parental skills do have an effect on the child education above genetic bias. So one other advantage of using genetic data is that it's easier to measure than measuring skills in large participant samples. In the study, we looked at the effect of genetic variance associated with cognitive and non-cognitive skills on 3 educational outcomes using 3 different design relying on family data, and in 3 cohorts, so 2 British cohort and the Netherlands Twin Registry. And these are our results meta-analyzed across all the conditions. We found genetic effect on education for both cognitive and non-cognitive skills. And the indirect genetic effects were representing 37% of these effects, so indicating that there is an effect of parental skill on children education above genetic bias. And to end with a teaser, we also found some interesting difference between the Netherlands and the UK, and I'll be glad to tell you more about it in breakout room 3.